To change custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter sound and vibrations, then look for notification sound, where inside, as you can see, we have custom sounds. To add them, first we'll need to open the files on our phone. In this case, we should see it right here. It's this yellow folder. If you enter it, go for your internal storage and then look for a files with the sounds. So for example, we should be able to find it in the ringtones right here. We can then click and hold this specific song and copy it. We can then copy it to copy, and then we need to select where we want to copy it. We need to go back to internal storage, select notifications, and then drop it right here. Now when it's here, we'll be able to go back to the options that we've opened previously and then select our custom sound. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.